Barakata Yahweh, Barakata Yahweh, Barakata YAHAWAHSHI, Barakata Yahweh, Barakata YAHAWAHSHI. Call YAHAWAH YAHAWAHSHI, Bashim Rakakadash. I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bashim YAHAWAHSHI, Bashim Rakakadash, and double honors to the men that I learned this truth from, the men at GMS, and the men with this like-minded doctrine. This is the brother Abakala Walam, back with a video to edify the body. I just found this kind of interesting. I see now there's some type of chicken shortage going on, but through the spirit I was led to this website here called Pirbright Institute, the Pirbright Institution. You know, it's founded by that computer geek and his wife. You know, for the people that's in the know, they founded this institution. And you see here, you know, right where the chickens is that this pandemic is based upon, and that's what's going on. It's kind of funny, you know, that this pandemic, a lot of things are for this chicken situation, you know, can be linked to this pandemic, which I really don't know why the chickens are why it's a shortage on chickens. I haven't found that out yet, but I just found this interesting. I'm gonna read this right here. It says virus is related to the group infectious bronchitis virus, you know, SARS-CoV-2. I'm gonna read here where it says our group. It says infectious bronchitis. Infectious bronchitis is a highly contagious respiratory disease of chickens that can be fatal in young birds due to secondary bacterial infections and sometimes kidney disease. Infection of egg layer results in a drop of egg production. Infection of egg layers results. Infections of egg layers result in a drop of egg production. The disease, which has economic consequences to the poultry industry throughout the world, is caused by infectious bronchitis virus, IBV. And I'm gonna just highlight it here. What what is related to the C, C and reported to be the #1 case of infectious disease-related economic loss in the UK poultry industry, and is a continual threat in part due to the existence of a large number of IBV serotypes. And I'm gonna look up what this word serotypes means. Slovakia.
Serotype.
The serotype, serologically distinguishable strain of a microorganism. That still I don't understand what that really is. It still doesn't give you the definition of what serotype is. Guess I gotta look up sero. I'm gonna look up the word sero. Serum involving a serous membrane. Serum represents serum. It says serum sickness. I'm gonna look up serum, see what serum. Serum.
Serum.
This is an amber-colored protein-rich liquid that separates states. The blood serum of an animal used especially to provide immunity to a pathogen or toxin by inoculation or as a diagnostic agent. Over here. If we get to understand it. So going back to here, serotypes. Something dealing with the serum of it's the if I'm not mistaken, I think it's talking about the blood. It's a protein liquid that separates out when blood coagulates. I guess when blood, like a blood clot or something like that, clogs up together. So going back to where I was reading from, serotypes. There's a numerous there are numerous vaccines available for for the control of IBV, infectious bacteria, bronchitis, viruses. Although protection is short-lived and poorly cross-connective between serotypes. Got their aim, what they're trying to do. I'm trying to see. Every year, where it says the group. So the group are focused on the design of sustainable methods of controlling infectious diseases in chickens. To this end, they are evaluating the potential of the use of recombinant viruses as vaccines. Recombinant viruses as vaccines that can be grown in a cell line. Currently, IBV vaccines must be grown in embryonated eggs as cumbersome and expensive and eggs a cumbersome and expensive process. The ability to grow vaccines on a cell line would be highly advan- advan- advantageous. Advantageous, if I'm pronouncing that right. They are investigating the possibility of utilizing IBV as a vector for the expression and delivery of foreign genes. The length of the IBV genome, 200 nucleotides, suggests that it could accommodate large insects from other pathogens, making possible the use of IBV as a vaccine vector against infectious bronchitis and other avian diseases. So I guess they got to try to get the cure of the vaccine through eggs, embryo eggs. They get the vaccines right here. They grow it in eggs, the embryo of eggs. So think about that, right? Just throwing that out, just thinking as a man, they having some type of chicken shortage, right? These people are diabolical. I'm not saying this is what they doing. Just think about it. They got these chickens that that's even out to this day. I even got me some chicken. You know what I'm saying? But just thinking about it, the chicken that's out there produced out there, they can be by these infected by these mad scientists. You know what I'm saying? They trying to say is they trying to cure some IBV, infectious bronchitis virus. They can be injected that in your chickens and making them grow up with this virus. You know what I'm saying? These people are mad. These people are crazy. See what was behind all this? That on computer geek, that computer geek and his wife. This is his This is his institution. This is his foundation. This is one of their foundations. If you go to their website, I'll probably put the link in the description box. But I just found it interesting that you know what I'm saying, that now we got a chicken shortage, and this computer geek, he's founded this institution right here, and they do researches. They're researching things related to chicken viruses, you know, infectious bronchitis um, viruses, and it also it's a variant or a strain of this right here, you know. So I just hope the body of YAHAWAHSHI, I thought it was edifying. I hope it was edifying, and just like the scripture said, we must watch as well as pray, and also it's like the scripture says, never trust thy enemy. And I want to bring this scripture out too. Isaiah 24 and 5. The earth also is defiled under the inhabitants thereof, because they have transgressed the laws, changed the ordinance, broken the everlasting covenant. That this whole land is defiled under the rulership of none other than Esau Edom. Simply put, I just hope this edifying the body. I try to put the link of this in the description box. But I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to YAHAWAHSHI again, and double honors to the apostles and the elders that I learned the truth from, the men at GMS, and the brothers with a like-minded doctrine. And shalom to the body of YAHAWAHSHI, Till the next time. Shalom.